Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll be working on this very beautiful and pretty pattern. This pattern can be used in your both gents and ladies sweater, and also you can knit this in your baby's blanket. This is the way it looks like. See, wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is 12 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 12 and plus 2 edge stitch, multiples of 12 and plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 26 stitches on my needle, which is 12 plus 12 24 and 2 edge stitch 26. So row 1 right side, row 1 right side, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 2, knit 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Knit 8 and purl 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit 8, 2, 4, 6, 8 and purl 2. Repeat that again. Purl 2, knit 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Knit 8 and purl 2. And we have done 2 repeats from here to here, and your last edge stitch knit on the right side. So we have done row 1 here. Now row 2, wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 2, and for every wrong side rows you will purl all stitches. And your last edge stitch slip on the wrong side. Row 3, for row 3 knit all stitches. Knit your edge stitch through the back loop first and knit all stitches. Row 4, purl all stitches. Now row 5, For row 5, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. From these 4 stitches, we are going to twist this 4 to the left way. So bring this 2 here from the back side and knit these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4, and here these 2 and these 2. From these 4 stitches, we are going to twist 2, these 2 to the right way, right, this way. So bring the stitch here from the front side and from these 4 knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Twist 4 to the left way, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and twist 4 to the right way. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Twist 4 to the left way. See this, from this 4, twist these 2 to the left way. So bring the stitch here, these 2 here from the back side, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4 and then twist 4 to the right way. From these 4 stitches, twist this stitch to the right way and knit this 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 6. For row 6, purl all stitches. Row 7. For row 7, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4 and knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the repeat pattern. Again knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4 and knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 8, purl all stitches. Row 9, knit all stitches. Row 10, purl all stitches. Row 11, edge stitch, knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Knit 2, and then twist 4 to the right way. From these 4 stitches, twist this 2 to the right way. So bring this 2 here from the front side. And knit this 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and here twist 4 to the left way, right? From these 4 stitches, twist this 2 to the left way. So bring the stitch here from the back side. And knit this 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4 and then knit 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2, twist 4 to the right way, twist 4 to the left way and then knit 2. Repeat that again. Knit 2, twist 4 to the right way, from this 4 knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4, twist 4 to the left way, twist this 2 to the left way. So bring this 2 here from the back side and knit 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and then knit 2. So that's the repeat. So we have done 1 repeat, 2 repeats from here to here, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 12, last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat this 12 rows, row 1 to row 12 over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.